everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good
So we
night.
are shooting.
Good evening. Good happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence
Mama
Day.
is reading me books a lot.
Yeah.
A lot of books. Some books came from Instamart and some also from Blinkit.
No, Amazon. I ordered from Amazon. Your sticker books are from Blinkit. Instamart nahi.
Sticker book are from Blinkit. Instamart are from
Instamart और grocery order करें.
like Maggi and things.
So I am not coping up well
Mama's
with
not
my.
keeping well, so she's reading books to me and doing study. We are playing games. How Achami video bunaya to study. Koi
It's just a short video.
I'm opening lock.
Yeah, that's it. Five
I'm
minutes.
trying to open the lock, but it's not opening.
Yes,
guys.
5
Okay,
minutes.
bye, good.
So it's like I'm not in proper attire, so I'm starting shooting again once I go back to Mumbai. So I just need my hair this boils to get over so that I can sit and shoot. So it was just a random video to show people. I have posted a lot of parenting videos before, and yes, I don't have any of my tech gadgets, so I don't know where I'm looking. एक बार इधर because yeah, so I was actually feeling bored. My parents are not here, so the whole day I cleaned my house and my legs are hurting. My immunity is extremely low, so I just thought if anyone is looking for homeschooling, basically because of my health, my body, physical health especially, I am not coping up well, hence I'm not yet ready to start my life all alone in Mumbai. So since the schools have started, her friends, everyone are going, so I obviously being a very caring mother, being a caring mother, see, she is also aware, so she keep asking. I feel embarrassed also, so I have started homeschooling. So I'm gonna just show few books which are helping her, because she was supposed to enter senior KG this year. So nevertheless, nowadays क्या होता है इंडिया में कभी भी हम एडमिशन ले लेते हैं, बट इट इज़ द स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम विच यू मिस एज अ पेरेंट ऑल्सो. इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट बिकॉज मैं अगर उसको कुछ भी इंगेज ना करूँ, बिकॉज इन इंडिया unnecessary hell lot of pressure by schools. So I'm just, I got 2 books from Mumbai and remaining I got from Amazon. So it's a sticker books. She loves stickers, so I buy from Blinkit. So will you show the books which Mama bought? Yeah,
this is a story book.
Ruba, one by one. So this is one, Tales of Shiva. This one I bought from one bookstore from a mall in Guwahati. So this is very beautiful. It has 3-4 stories.
And this is a book of instinct.
This is Ruba. Bhal kare Ruba. So this is another book. This one I bought from, I think, a local store in Kandivali where I stay. So this is very beautiful book to know science in a very. Baba, one second. To know science in a very easy way. So they have taught about photosynthesis, then plants, how potatoes, beetroots grow. So yeah, this is not that cheap, but yeah, please, you can buy. This is another activity book. She loved doing activities. She's a bit calm child when it comes to studying. It's very easy for me because of the activities I used to do from she was 18 or 19 months old. People if remember my parenting page, this one I bought from Amazon. I'm sorry I don't have that energy to send put the links below so you all can take the screenshot. Aram se. So it's very difficult. This is another book. So just mark the things which I have bought. Like one is Shiva Tales, as I'm teaching her spirituality. One is about science, which is very important. One is about engaging activities when they feel bored. You can easily, like you are also not in that space कि यार ज़्यादा लगे रहे. Spot the difference. It opens the cognitive mind. Like it helps in thinking कि अच्छा अगर suppose a monkey is holding a pen in a picture and the monkey is holding an apple in another picture, ये क्यों हो रहा है? तो वो जो curious mind है वो open हो जाता है, especially if you want to enroll your child into creative lines like singing, dancing and art. This she actually
It's a
removed
Hanukkah
the
book,
cover.
guys.
It's a Hanukkah book.
Hanukkah
I
book
don't know the name.
yesterday.
It's like Hanukkah, I think. I'm so sorry. This one I bought from Mumbai. She already had, so it's just a bedtime book which I got. Another. This one is very good. So it is like I like my see ad. So one of my school mommy friend Jakpreet, if you are watching this video, you asked me, I forgot. So this is how, see, I see my cat, I like apples. So one or two words so that they can understand. अच्छा हमें अभी reading भी करनी पड़ेगी. So very few words, nothing to write, just to read. So that their vision improves and they can say that apart from letters and numbers, ये भी एक life है.
Ito luwa?
हेतु दिया first.
Huh?
अच्छा, this one is a storybook. So Lasit Borfukon, the Ahom king who won over Mughals. So yes, I am also like him. The way I have fought my my diseases, my battle in the wars, my battle with my own people. So I want to inspire her through his stories, because at the end Ahom kings, if you dig in, have inspired the world a lot. Itna naam nahi hai fir bhi, but yeah, this I bought from a local bookstore, beautiful bookstore in city center mall. So yeah, anyone who is into knowing this can grab it. So there is the sticker books, easy sticker books which I get from Blinkit. Very easy to engage. I think everyone is aware. She just want to show. This is another, and this is another English activity. It is like fill in the blanks, like C-T cat, M-T mat, then joining the dots, a cat to be drawn. एकदम सिंपल बेसिक. ये बेसिकली जो स्कूल में हमारे टीचर्स इनको पढ़ाते हैं, हमें भी पढ़ाया गया था मिलेनियल्स को. दिस इज़ दैट इजी. ऑल ऑफ दीज आई हैव बॉट फ्रॉम Amazon. This is another bedtime read. It is actually very easy for class 1 or 2 students also, जो एकदम पूरा proper pro हो गए हैं reading में. So this book can be used for bedtime so that they can keep repeating those words and it helps in memory. ये ट्रेसिंग का है जो मैं जब आई थी तभी लेके आई थे, बिकॉज आई वॉज बिट वरीड लाइक हाउ थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी, बिकॉज राइटिंग इज़ समथिंग आई वॉज बिट वरीड बिकॉज वो थोड़ी सी स्लो थी. But yes, the way she has responded, I'm proud of her. And this is the last one. Yes, I'm just bored of this book.
Guys, you like studying all?
Yeah. Slow baruba. So this is
study by everyone for day. And if you don't feel like studying all books, you can order some books in Instamart, Blinkit, or sticker book, or story books that you can read night. Also,
yeah.
So you can read many books. You can order your less books. You can order.
Which from where we order books? From where Mama order books? Mama love reading books.
Blinkit,
Amazon, yeah.
Blinkit, everywhere.
Mama love reading books. Pori also love reading books.
Yeah,
so
and
we
I also love
keep ordering
collecting.
from Amazon.
You also like to order in Amazon?
Yeah, everyone love.
Amazon and Amazon.
Instamart क्यों को ऐसा? Instamart grocery है होए.
Amazon.
I don't think so.
You also take the book.
बस so give her goal. I'll stop the video.
Book and sticker books in Blinkit and Instamart.
Yes, I'm sorry, I will not cut the video. I'm not into that editing thing as of now. But last. So yeah, at this age it is very difficult. So I was watching Divya Harjai vlogs. If anyone is aware, they are from Mumbai or Delhi. They live in UK. So her son is 1 year, exactly 1 year elder to her. She's 14 July 2021, and he is Kichu. If everyone is aware, 10 July 2020. She was not allowed to speak in one of the videos. She was so pissed off. Like, I can feel like it is not at all easy to vlog or record videos. She keep coming. So Gen Alpha kids and Jinke mommies are into vlogging or Instagramming. I am sure everyone can agree it is extremely difficult because it is the mind. So yes, this is the last one. Sorry, I'll just end it, and then I'll say this is the last one. I'm just pissed off with this book because it is too much for a parent like me who's already into so much anxieties and everything. But I am thankful to my father. Like, 80% of this book he only taught her, and yeah, rest we almost finished tonight. So this was the whole thing of these 4 months, and I said that I'm not gonna buy anymore because it is like pile of books. I think I'll need like 3-4 shelves. So many books I have in my Mumbai house. Here also I bought, and so to end ki Gen Alpha kids' minds are very, very enthusiastic, same meaning, very creative. Anytime I just want to know more. So they are way advanced than Gen Zs to know more. So उनको फट से बोर लग जाता है. 2-3 things I have observed once she turned 5. एक तो now she's treating me like you are an old auntie. Okay, oh my god, you are always on Instagram. I know it is your work or you are on LinkedIn, but I want to chill, man. Why you are always on Instagram? This is her thought now. I'm like,
so happy.
last, yes, she feels good when I'm happy because of everything she saw. So this is the cool attitude of Gen Alpha, and everyone will agree. The number 2 is like ki she used to help me in my kitchen or folding clothes or putting the clothes for dry on a mini clothes stand. So now since my parents are not here, it's been 3-4 days, I've been observing, and unfortunately maids का ये हमेशा रहता है. जब भी आप मुसीबत में हो, मेड्स 4-5 दिन गायब होते ही है. So my luck is very bad in all of these, and so I'm seeing that when I'm doing bartan or like I'm really sorry. So when I'm doing bartan or doing jarwa and all, she's like this. Can I help? I mean, oh my god, today morning also she was like, just skip, it's fine. 5-year-old, such maturity. I'm so impressed. I don't know in this thing how many parents can agree, or is it like because she always there with me from her birth, and that is, I would say, a blessing in disguise ki my ex-husband and in-laws, also my family members, were not at all involved in upbringing or raising her. So it is all me who she is. And the last part is ki when we go out, now I have observed that when I'm carrying lot of bags, day before yesterday, we went to City Center Mall, which is the only good mall in Guwahati. I don't know what Himonto.
went to Gurgaon. We went Abili to City Center.
Yeah, Abeli means evening, we call in Assamese. So I don't know Himonto mane ki kori ase re, eku mall nai, ki boring yaar. Matlab it's the Radhika Sati Udyan or Uzan Bazaar cafes, all the happening cafes, or the City Center Mall. और कुछ भी नहीं है. या फिर you go to like Azara, Mirza side for any resorts. We went to a very beautiful farm in her on a birthday, Mirza side, and few resorts there towards Sonapur, but those all have become outdated now. This Amchong leaf, I found it very good, but the roads, and if you go at night, my mom got scared and I was laughing throughout. She was so scared. So as my driver, like I was giving all the hope that we will come back safely. So it's like built in a proper gaon area where there is no proper road, no electricity. मतलब उस टाइम पे हम जब गए थे there was no electricity. I mean, oh my god, ইমান यार seriously यार গুৱাহাটীক আৰু অকণমান ডেভেলপ কৰি দিয়ক, একোডাল নাই মানে. For a person like me who loves going out and lives in Mumbai from 4 months, I am just sulking. I saw Shantanu Hazarika, he was also in Guwahati, I think. He lives in Mumbai. I was just thinking, how is he adjusting here? I think everyone who lives in Mumbai can agree, leave your, my hometown is Dibrugarh, leave your Dibrugarh, leave Subsagar, Jorhat. I mean, I get so bored in Guwahati. How come Gen Zs, even my neighbor, they are millennials, we are very close. I keep feeling like how these two survive, so they keep going out. So nevertheless, मैं distract हो गई. Anyways, क्या बोल रही थी यार, दैट वाज अ थिंग, दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट हैज़ हैपन टू माई फॉरगेटफुल माइंड. एक तो सिंगल मॉम सिंस अ बर्थ, extreme exhaustion, and third is like the depression, the heavy anxiety is still there. So yes, the vlog was about books. So मैं फिर क्या चीज़ में distract हुई, I forgot. If anyone remember can put on the comments. So I will come up again with good videos with proper attire. My therapist said कि आप अपना hair ठीक करो, अच्छे से makeup करो, and get ready the way you used to in your parenting videos. So yes, Manvi, if you're watching, I love you and I respect you for everything. So yes, that's it. So say bye bye.
Boy, I'm playing now. Let's start.
Yeah. I recall bit recall about it's about the Gen Alpha minds.
Laughing a lot. We are supposed to, and every day is a day. Like everything. Do you like everything?
Yeah, so Gen Alpha kids are very curious. No, Napa. Gen Alpha kids are very curious, so please take care of their mental health. As at the end, my work is on protecting the mental peace of the kids, because don't give them traumas, otherwise थेरेपीज़ की कमी हो जाएगी, इतना मैं कह सकती हूँ. सो प्लीज़ वॉच माई वीडियोज़ जो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे है, एंड ऑल्सो माई न्यू पेज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, फ्रॉम माई लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस, रिलेट इट टू योर ओन लाइफ. कुछ ना कुछ तो आप डॉट्स कनेक्ट कर ही लोगे. और इफ़ यू हैव स्ट्रगल्ड इन रेजिंग योर किड, इट्स नेवर टू लेट. इतना ही कहूँगी, डोंट वांट टू गिव स्ट्रेस, बट इफ़ योर किड हैज़ क्रॉस द 9-year period. So 9 years, if you are a parent who's watching that कि आपका बच्चा 9 year क्रॉस हो चुका है, then he or she might need therapy. But if you failed in your parenting, because after 9 years it attains the pre-teenage, so उसके बाद बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, बिकॉज टीनेज हॉर्मोन्स इन मैन इज़ मोर देन वुमेन. लाइक नहीं सुनना, ईगो, ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. एंड लड़कियों को मतलब ये ना कर, वो ना कर, लड़कियों का अलग, मैन का अलग. एंड देन आपका 25 के बाद एवरी पर्सन should have a stable mental health. If not, they are gonna live very in stress, anxiety mindset till their last breath, and they will hit that mark in the mid of 30s. This is for sure, and I have seen as experience in few of my friends and my cousins. So yeah, please raise your kid as if it's Shiva only. Chalo, bye, take care.